Hello friends, welcome to Commerce and Excel Hub. In this video, I am going to show you one template which I have created long back relating to 1 month uh, dates. Okay, so in a given month, I am going to have working days, non-working days, and I want to know all the list of working days, and I also want to know what are the holidays in that particular month. Okay, so this kind of data is been shown in this particular template. Okay, so first you need to select a particular month. So let us see December month data for the year 2019. Okay, so you should input one date for that required month. So I'm going to input this is in month and then date and then year format. So month is 12 and you can simply randomly give any date in the month of December. So I'm going to give 15th and then year 2019. Okay, now sorry. Okay, now we want to see what is the 12th business day in the month of December 2019. So I'm going to simply enter 12 over here. So these two requirements we need to update. Okay, then entire data will be ready for us. Okay, so first you have requested for 12th business day in the month of December. So this is the data which shows you your result. You have requested for December month and the calendar day is 12th sorry, calendar day is 17th December 2019. So 12th business day is 17th December and which is a Tuesday. Okay, so this is the result of your request, and this number is going to tell you how many working days together you have in this particular month. So it's going to tell us last business day at the same time total number of working days. Okay, it's simple. If you have 22 working days in any given month, the last business day will be 22nd. Okay, uh, here you can see here you can see some important days with regard to this particular December month. The first business day in this month is December 2nd, which is Monday, and the last business day in this month is December 31st, which is on Tuesday. And first Sunday and first Saturday in this particular month is this December 1st and December 7th. And what is the 15th business day in the December month, which is December 20. Okay, and then here you can see the entire list of, sorry, one second. Yeah, so here you can see the entire list of business days in the month of December. So the first business day is this and so on like that. And here you can also refer to the days on which they are falling under. Okay, and now we are going to explore another important information. Yeah, here you can see this is the statistics for the entire month. Okay, in this December month total we have 5 Mondays, 5 Tuesdays, 4 Wednesdays, 4 Thursdays, 4 Fridays. Okay, and Saturdays are 4, Sundays are 5. Total count of Saturdays and Sundays are 9, and total holidays in this month are 0. Holidays in the sense which are falling on Monday to Friday. Okay, and total number of days in this month are 31. So few months we are going to have 30 and few are 31, right? So this is going to give you the total count of this month. Okay, and this is another feature wherein you simply enter the days which you feel are holidays, and here you can see, yeah, December 25th. December 25th is a Christmas. Okay, so it is an holiday. So now we need to update over here 12 25 2000 2019. Once you update this 12 December 2519 as a holiday, here you can see this number got increased to 1. Okay, and at the same time, here you can refer that total working days are reduced by 1. So it says now there are only 21 working days. And another important thing is that this list will get automatically updated now. So earlier we used to have 25 between 24 and 26. Now here we can see directly 18th business day is 26. Earlier it used to be 25th. Okay, and the last business day is also updated to December 31st, which is 21. And okay, so these are the uses of this particular template. And one another one another sorry and another one important thing in this template is here we have 21 working days only, but suppose you have requested for 22nd, so which is not possible. And what should be the result? Okay, then you are going to get some error message. Now you can see this is an error message which says refer to cell C5 last BD number that you can enter. Please check it once. Okay, it's a kind of message to a person who enters a date which is more than the limit. Like we have only 21 days, but you have accidentally entered 22nd. Then it simply tells us you have only 21 days in this month, and please check the arrow marks shows over here to please check in this particular cell C5. Okay, and you can simply correct your number to 21. You are done. Okay friends, so how to create a template like this, I'm going to post a few other videos, so please keep following this channel and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching this video. Please post your comments in the comment section. It will be answered. Thank you.